Wow, you're doing good, I see. And you just graduated the MIG and Flux-Cored class. So, in your personal opinion, what did you learn in that class that's helping you with this stick welding process?
I would say learning to keep consistency and learning how to stack beads is what I took most from the last class I was in to apply to this one, because I found out that stick and flux are somewhat similar. It's a good little filler to use, so if you have to slow down a little bit, it'll fill it out just right. And so, yeah, just learning to stack beads, consistency, and heat control is another thing, because on the different size plates, you know, heat's a big thing, especially when it comes to flux or anything that has to do with stick. So.
Okay, so would you recommend this program to someone else you might know in the city or surrounding?
I recommend it to everybody that I know now, even my siblings and all that, to try to get them on. So
that's a good thing.
Yeah, I would say come here. I mean, I've been to a lot of schools. Go look them out, and this one's the best one I've seen so far.
And what's the name of this school?
American Welding Laboratories.
You heard what he said, family.
Yep.
Hold on.